Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this Black & Decker AF300 AF400 air fryer. So it has its own user manual. You will see here the cooking guide for frozen french fries, meat, chicken legs, fish, and bread. Let me focus it. At the top part of the air fryer, there is another cooking guide for frozen french fries, homemade fries, lamb chops, frozen chicken nuggets, fresh chicken drumsticks, fresh hamburgers, baked potato, and stuffed vegetables. To pull the basket, slide this transparent button, slide it to unlock and press, then lift the basket. If you want to remove the basket and you have to clean it, just press this button, and lift it. Going to cook chicken legs. Let's put it back. Then lock. So for the mode, I'm going to press 200 degrees Celsius for chicken legs. Okay, 200 degrees Celsius. Adjust the timer setting by using timer plus. Okay. And then